Most catamarans this size handle like rooms with engines. The Sunreef Ultima 88 handles like a monohull, with the volume of a multi-hull. Built by Sunreef Yachts in Gdansk, Poland, with production at the Ras Al Khaimah facility. Composite hull construction. Ultima Series, the performance class of the Sunreef power range. Power comes from twin Volvo Penta IPS 900 drives, 691 horsepower each, 1,382 horsepower combined. Top end 20 knots, cruise 15 knots, 2,113 gallons of fuel for long-range passage work, 87 feet 11 inches overall, 29 feet 10 inches of beam, 4 feet 4 inches of draft. Enough catamaran stability and enough shallow access to reach the Bahamas, the Florida Keys, and most of the Caribbean. Sunreef leads with 3 engineering choices. First, opening bulwarks and an aft garage that fold down at anchor, what Sunreef calls the Ocean Lounge. Second, the new Ultima hull silhouette, slicker, sportier, and tuned for higher speed across the same hybrid platform. Third, a full hybrid option with solar skin, battery storage, and electric mode for silent cruising and reduced generator runtime. Below decks, 5 staterooms, 5 heads, plus crew quarters. A full beam master suite with a private sauna, floor-to-ceiling glass, and a chef's galley with panoramic ocean views. 387 square meters of total living area, more volume than most monohulls in this size class. Bottom line, a serious owner-operator vessel for extended cruising, with the shallow draft to anchor where deeper boats cannot. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.